us. Arnab is also joining us.
India Today's name.
Let me see if he's live.
Yes.
Let me see if he's live with us.
Yeah.
Okay, Arnab is joining us live. Arnab, sir, we've shown the report. Last half an hour, we've shown the report, Arnab. I think, they're all gone into hiding now. They've all gone into hiding completely. No word. From the morning, they were trying to sort of scamper. But it's out. The truth is out.
Yeah, I would like to ask for an exclusive interview with Mr. Arun Puri of India Today, who appears to be at the center of a mega TRP manipulation racket. And the important thing is, this appears to be a case of collusion between the Mumbai Police Commissioner and India Today. So this organization is completely exposed. Hear me out loud and clear, India Today group. Hanging on the coattails of Parambir Singh, Arun Puri will take you nowhere. You want to hang on to the coattails of the Mumbai Police Commissioner. Hanging on to the coattails of Parambir Singh did not stop this document from reaching the people of India. Arun Puri, look at this. You ran primetime shows with fake news, malicious, insecure and rotten campaigns against the Republic Media Network. The people of India will not forgive you, Arun Puri. And neither will the truth forgive you. Because I have brought out the paper today. Tell me, Arun Puri and Parambir Singh, this is the report that you were trying to hide. Viewers, please listen to me. When an owner of a media organization colludes with the police commissioner of a city, this is what happens. What I have with me today is the ultimate proof, the undeniable piece of evidence of how India Today was manipulating household ratings to get some meager spike in viewership. This document, let me read out. It says, media planning for apportioning advertisement budgets of advertisers is based on rating. A manipulated TRP rating results in advertisers to part with huge loss of money to undeserving channels like India Today. And viewers, please see. The reference, Arun Puri. Where is the reference to? To India Today television. So do you realize this, Arun Puri? You wanted to hide this. Niranjan, the critical thing is that the India Today management wanted to hide this report from going public. Now that the report has gone public, they are panicking and behaving in a stupid and silly way. This document I have with me is not just proof of how the sinking channel called India Today used desperate, corrupt and tainted measures to give some breather of life to their ratings. Important thing to understand today is this is not the only document. There are multiple documents exposing only India Today. Now what we want to know, why is it that India Today repeatedly has been doing this, and the BARC disciplinary panel pulls up India Today. Hansa finds India Today to be corrupt, and they talk about golden standards of journalism. I just cannot understand this anymore. It is pathetic and it is absolutely unbelievable. I have a call to attend to, but I'm going to come back in some time. But this document is the final piece of evidence that perhaps India Today, which is led by one Arun Puri, may be at the centerpiece of the mega TRP manipulation racket. Parambir Singh and India Today thought they could bury the truth. And I told you, Arun Puri, and I don't know about you, but I'm a man of my word. I said I will expose you. And I have exposed you before the people of India. the ethical thing for you now is to put out an apology because the document is with me. I am going to put this document as part of my court proceedings now against you and against Parambir Singh. How silly and terrible. You collude with an inept and incompetent, controversial policeman to fix a channel which has beaten you. This is all that you are down to at this stage of your career? Shame on you. Shame on you, Mr. Puri, for doing something as bizarre, obnoxious, and unethical as this. I'll come back in a while.